Hi friend, I come with one of the greatest opportunity from the Amazon. So this is back from home opportunity, and this is from the Amazon Go AI, that is the global operation AI. So it basically support Amazon robotics enabled fulfill center by validating the real stowing activities through video audits. Okay, so this is the direct test. You have to just click on the link and you can apply. Talking about a little bit about the roles and responsibilities. So main key and responsibilities are review and audit short FCs, stowing videos, mark verify item location with accuracy and speed, meet quality plus productive benchmark. Okay, so this will be your role, and all bachelor degree students are eligible. Means if you are from any background, either from tech or non-tech, you are eligible, and freshers are also welcome here. So this is one of the greatest opportunity to work with Amazon. So if you are interested in this role, then you should apply. Okay, and your job title will be associate ML data operation. Okay, so for applying, just click here on the link. After that, it will redirect you to the new website. This is the website. You have to just do the fill the registration form with complete detail, and after that you can easily apply. Okay, so after that, just click here next. A new form will open, and this is the job role Go AI Associate Hyderabad Telangana. Okay, so this is the job location Hyderabad, and you have to basically give your personal detail, mail ID, mobile number, citizenship, disability, address, and all the detail you have to tell. Okay, if you have experience, then you can give. If otherwise, you can give zero. Okay, and this is the greatest opportunity. You should apply. Okay, make sure that you should give a good resume so that you will be selected for further. Okay, you will get the test, that is your, but for final selection resume will work. Okay, coming to next important opportunity for the Java developer, and here this is from the Niyatras, and I have already provided update in the previous video, so must apply for this. Okay, you can share your resume to this, and these are the some requirement. Means if you have a knowledge of Java and REST API with some basic knowledge of Postman, then you should apply for this. Next important from the Superset and Cognizant hiring, that is still it is open, and deadline is 18th of Jan. So just 1 day is left, so must apply for this. This is one of the greatest, and it will be the last opportunity for 2025 pass out batch from the Cognizant. Okay, 4 LPA will be salary package, and this is the job roles and description. You can go through it. Okay, so only 2024 and 2025 pass out from BE, BTech and ME, MTech are eligible for this job, and you can go through their complete details. So I will provide all the job link in the description, from where you can get directly access to it. And friends, for getting such important job opportunity, you can subscribe us. I regularly post lots of job update in this YouTube channels. I hope informative to you. If you have an inquiry, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.